How to select all Google Photos at once. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this following tutorial, I'll show you how can you select all Google Photos all at once. To do it so, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So first thing, what you want to do is you want to open up a browser and go to photos.google.com. And once you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to this sort of page. So here you have all the photos. Now what you want to do is make sure to right on this page, what you want to do is make sure to select at the top. Make sure to select the photo first of all, and then you want to make sure to scroll down right to the bottom. You could also use the timeline at the bottom of the page. And once you've done it so, you want to make sure to hold on to your shift just like that. When you've actually pressed onto the shift button, you could see that I've already selected all the photos. So here you just have to make sure to select it first of all at the top of the photo. First photo you have to select it, and once you've done it so, you want to scroll down right to the bottom until where you want to download it so, and then you want to tap on the shift button once you've done it so, and click on the particular photo, and now you could go ahead and selected all the photos. You could either make changes or share it with other person as well. So that is the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.